Welcome back. This is a video regarding the makers of the Vespa, Piaggio and Co. regarding that Pontedera. This is first-hand information. This hasn't even been mentioned to the press yet, because seeing the brothers of Colonnini, they will probably announce this a month late in October. From reliable sources of information from HQ, we're talking high levels of management, the production regard Asia and America will cover that. Presumably Pontedera won't make any more to export overseas due to the costs of to produce a vehicle are becoming so bloody high, and therefore for this they will produce it there for those markets there. And regarding tariffs of Trump, the Asia competition, which is pretty fierce, and obviously RP will be made in India, the electric version. That's how they announced the company. And also they have signed an agreement with a Chinese, I think, maker, or China in Piaggio, to produce an electric commercial vehicle. Whether it's destined for the market here or not, do not know yet. Probably may be. But here in Europe, seeing how things go, Piaggio's pointing towards to make electric vehicles, which is an absolute suicide I see myself. What this means, it requires less workers, and this is confirmed. At least minimum 500 jobs will go in the next few years to come. And therefore all the productions of the mechanical workshops will disappear totally, to be taken place with the production of the new vehicles, electric vehicles. The fact is, this company has invested in technology to produce these vehicles, to produce it there for Pontedera, and presumably they will import these vehicles as kits to be assembled at Pontedera, and probably the two wheels plant, which are currently making petrol two wheels, will be slowly replaced by models of with an electric engine, basically. And also there's talk of a new assembly line that I haven't got much data on it, but I've got reason to believe it could be electric. You know, slowly they are going into this net zero lunacy and madness. How are you going to produce even this electric vehicle against the Chinese competition, which they are the ones which have this type of technology? You're going to have to get the technology from them. Whether you build it on license, certain vehicles, then afterwards you badge it Piaggio, which the Piaggio Porter currently is one of those vehicles, which is a Chinese vehicle. All they do is put a badge on it at the end of the day. So the future is very grim for Pontedera, for the employees. Like I said, minimum 500 jobs will go, because electric vehicles will require less employees, less phases of production to produce these things. And plus, so far regarding the electric, regarding electric cars, which is a total flop, in this narrative, pushing, it will just suddenly destroy the European motor industry, whether it goes 4 wheels or 2 wheels, because you can't compete with the Chinese. They make better and new models at more competitive price. Every year or 2 years it comes out a new Chinese model.